Monitor progress against the plan and identify any deviations or issues. Monitoring and control. Regularly track progress, identify any variances from the plan, and take corrective actions as needed. Manage risks and issues proactively to minimize their impact on the project. Closing. Formally complete the project and ensure all deliverables are met. Conduct a lessons learned review to identify areas for improvement and document them for future projects. Benefits of using relevant ISO principles in project management. Improved project success rates through structured planning and execution, enhanced communication and collaboration within the project team, increased efficiency and resource utilization, reduced risk and improved project control, consistent quality in project deliverables. Clearly defined project scope, objectives and deliverables. Develop a project management plan with defined tasks, timelines, resources and budget. Identify and analyze potential risks and develop mitigation strategies. Assign tasks and responsibilities to project team members. Implement effective communication channels to keep stakeholders informed. Monitor progress against the plan and identify any deviations or issues. Then, there's the monitoring phase. This is all about keeping an eye on the project's progress. Are the tasks being completed on time? Are we sticking to the budget?